Okay, Assalamualaikum. Hi guys. Okay, so in my previous video, I stated about the magnetic quantum number, but ada yang I lupa nak tulis. Alright. Okay, the magnetic quantum number depends on the angular quantum number. Okay, so for magnetic quantum number, describe the orientation. So it means that when L0, okay, the ML0, okay, so the value of ML is 0. Okay, this is the orientation. Okay, so ada satu orbital saja. So let's say we have L1, so we have negative 1, 0, 1. Ni yang menunjukkan the different orientation. Okay, so dia ada 3 orbital. Alright, so when we have L is 2, we have negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1 and 2 for the each of the orbital. So kita ada 5 orbital untuk L is equal to 2. Okay, so let's proceed to the problem related to the quantum number. So let's say you are given the question of what value of angular momentum quantum number, magnetic quantum number are allowed for principal quantum number and of 3. Okay, how many orbital and maximum number of electron are allowed for n is equal to 3. Alright, so let's say we have n is equal to 3. Okay, so kita ada n is equal to 3. So your L value, okay, from 0 to n minus 1. So kita ada 0, 1 and 2. Alright, so your ML value, okay, from negative L to positive L. So for L0, it is a 0. Okay, for L1, it is a negative 1, 0, 1. Okay, for L is 2, it is a negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1 and 2. Alright, okay, so for the, okay, soalan dia tanya lagi, how many orbital? Okay, okay, so how many orbital? Alright, so we have orbital, kat sini kita ada satu lah, sebab 0 saja. So this one we have 3 orbital. So this one we have 5 orbital. And how many maximum of number of electron are allowed for n is equal to 3. So maknanya each of orbital can occupy only 2 electron sahaja. Okay, so maknanya kat sini electron will be 2 saja, the maximum. Ni 3, so we have 3 times 2 will be 6 electron. Alright, so this one will be 10 electron. Okay, so the total number of orbital, so we have 9. The total maximum number of electron for n is equal to 3 adalah 18. Alright, so if you need to write your the types of orbital, so 3 L0, it is a 3s. Okay, 0 means s orbital, so 3s. So L1, so it is a 3p orbital. So L is 2, it is a 3d orbital. Okay, so let's proceed to the next question. Okay, so we have list the value of n, m, nl and ml for orbital in 3D subshell. Okay, if you need to list the value of n, so you just list saja. So 3D, okay, maknanya this one represent the n value, this one represent the l value. So if you have n is equal to 3, so your l value is 0, 1, 2. Alright, so meaning that bila dia cakap d orbital adalah bila mana n is equal, l is equal to 2. So hanya untuk 2 saja yang you list, yang atas ni tak perlu, tapi nak tulis tak ada masalah. Alright, so for ml, for l is 2, it is negative 2, negative 1, 0 and 1 and 2. Alright, so ni, okay. So let's say we have another question. Okay, the last question. So Lepas ni you boleh try the tutorial equation. Okay, write the set of quantum number for an electron in 3p orbital. So let's say you need to write the set of quantum number. Kalau dia kata set of quantum number, mesti dalam bentuk format macam ni. N ml N L ml and you punya ms electron spin. The principal quantum number, angular quantum number, the magnetic quantum number, and also the electron spin dalam bentuk bracket and separate by the comma. Okay, so let's say kita nak untuk 3p. Alright, so 3p meaning that n is equal to 3. So your L is p berapa? Okay, so L is 1 lah. Okay, s orbital 0. P orbital L is equal to 1. Okay, kalau D orbital L is equal to 2. Alright, so maknanya kita nak untuk this set of quantum number. Alright, okay, so let's say we have okay, so it is for 3p. Alright, so we have n is equal to 3. So the L value 0, 1 and 2. Your ml value is this one 0. Okay, this one negative 1, 0, 1. This one is negative 2, 0, 1 and 2. Sorry, 3p lah. Okay, dia nak kata untuk 3p sahaja kan. Okay, 3p sahaja. So 3p ni je lah. Alright, so n is equal to 3, L is 1, the ml is negative 1, 0, 1. Alright, so let's say you want to okay, we write another kertas. Alright, okay. So let's say we have 3p tadi. Okay, 3p, it is n is equal to 3, L is 1. Okay, right, so you want n 3, L 1. So your ml is negative 1, 0, 1, positive 1. Okay, so your magnetic spin is positive half, negative half. Alright, so kalau you nak write the set of quantum number, mesti dalam bentuk principal quantum number, your angular quantum number, your magnetic quantum number, and also magnetic spin. Alright, so 3p, there will be ada 3 orbital. So maknanya dia akan ada 6 set of quantum number. Okay, so maknanya you akan write 3 for n is equal to 3. So L value is 1. So ml is negative 1. So it will be positive half. Alright, so the first electron. Okay, the second electron we have n is equal to 3. L is 1. ml is 0. Ni is adalah positive half. The electron spin is positive half. Okay, so when L is equal to 3, n is equal to 3, sorry, L is 1, the ml is 1, it is a positive half. Okay, so ini hanya untuk sebelah side positive half. Okay, untuk negative half sama juga, the value sama, hanya tukar negative half je. Okay, so untuk dia punya pasangan, so 3, 1, negative 1, negative half. Okay, so 3, 1, 0, negative half, and 3, 1, 1, negative half. Alright, so maknanya for 3p orbital, okay, so we have 6 set of quantum number because of untuk 3p kita ada 3 orbital. So each orbital can occupy maximum of 2 electrons. So maknanya kalau ada 3 orbital 6 lah. So maknanya untuk each electron ni, ni dia punya set of quantum number. So you have to write dalam bentuk bracket, okay, and separate by the comma ni. Okay, so that's why dia kata quantum number mempunyai untuk setiap elektron tu mempunyai different quantum number yang berbeza. Okay, thank you guys.